Hey everyone, welcome to edquest. I'm your instructor and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this MLOps journey. In this session, we are diving into one of the most popular tools in the MLOps toolkit, MLflow. So, what is exactly MLflow? MLflow is an open source platform designed to manage the complete machine learning lifecycle from experimentation to deployment. It's made up of four key components: tracking, projects, models, model registry. To explain what is MLflow in layman terms, let's understand it with very simple example. Imagine you are running a smoothie shop. Each day you try different recipes. One day with strawberries, another with mango, and sometimes even weird stuff like spinach and protein powder. You take notes on a sticky note or your phone. Strawberry mango was sweet, banana spinach not a hit. But after few weeks, your customers start asking which smoothie was the healthiest, which one sold the most, and you think, your notes are all over the place. Some are in your phone, some are in your trash, and some just live in your memory. This is exactly what happens in machine learning. You try different model, recipe, changing algorithm, tweaking settings, and without tracking them properly, it becomes a mess. That's where MLflow comes in. It's like your digital smoothie recipe book. It tracks what you tried, what ingredients you used, just like the parameters, how well each recipe performed, like a metrics, and even saves your best ones, like a models, so you can reuse or improve them. So the next time someone asks you which model or smoothie was best, MLflow makes sure you have got your answer. Thank you. In the next video, we will actually set up a MLflow step by step and get ready to use it on hands on. So don't miss it. See you in the next one.